Every year, the world produces a huge amount of waste, over 2 billion tons. A lot of this waste ends up in our rivers, lakes, and canals. When plastic, weeds, and garbage gets collected in the water, it blocks the natural flow and damages the water body. Cleaning these water bodies by hand is not easy. It takes too much time, needs many workers, and is often unsafe and unhealthy. People and existing machinery can't cover large areas or clean deeply enough. To solve this, we need machines that can do the job faster, safer, and more effectively. And that's exactly what Autocracy Machinery provides. Machines built to clean our water bodies the right way. Now let's look at a bigger problem. Aquatic weeds like water hyacinth and other unwanted plants. These grow quickly and block canals and lakes. For this, we have the Rudra, Aqua Ultra. It is a weed cutting and collecting machine that clears the water surface. Aqua Ultra moves through the water and cuts the weeds using a sharp front blade. It lifts the weeds onto the onboard conveyor and stores them safely. Once full, it takes them to the shore for unloading. This helps water flow freely again and improves the lake's condition. Neat? The Rudra Aqua Max, a smart and simple floating machine that removes plastic, thermocol, bottles, and other floating waste from lakes, ponds, and canals. It moves on water and collects the waste using a front conveyor. Aqua Max collects the waste, loads it into the bin, and brings it to shore for disposal. It works non-stop and can clean large areas in less time. It keeps the water moving and helps bring back the health of the lake. It's simple, fast, and saves labor costs. Both Aqua Ultra and Aqua Max are made in India. They can work in small ponds, big lakes, and narrow canals. They are easy to operate, safe for workers, and reduce manual effort. Even 1 or 2 people can handle the machine. These machines are perfect for government lake cleaning projects, CSR-funded water body restoration, irrigation-related projects, urban local body contracts, and even private lake owners. They save time, reduce cost, and give visible results in just a few days. At Autocracy Machinery, we don't just build machines. We give full water cleaning solutions. Whether it's floating trash or heavy weed, our machines clean it fast, safely, and properly. They are trusted by government bodies, private developers, and contractors across India. And we do more than just water cleaning. Autocracy Machinery also works in agriculture, solar energy, telecom, defense, and more. From digging trenches to laying cables, pipes to cleaning lakes. Our machines are built to get the job done. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more.